Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can log in into your online banking account of Comerica Bank account. For that, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Before you try to log in, make sure that you already have an account, only then you'll be able to log in into your Comerica Bank account. As you open up your web browser, right on top you can see there's a search box, so then type in the link that is www.comerica.com, and you can find the link on my description box as well. As you type in the link, on the other page you will land inside the official site. Over here you have to tap on login, which is in the top right corner. As you tap on login, there's a drop down menu. First of all, you'll have to provide a username, so then type in the username. In case if you don't want to enter your username every time you try to log in, so then tap on save user ID. Next time when you try to log in, you don't have to enter your username. Next, make sure to enter your correct password. Once you're done entering your information, tap on login, which is in the lower right corner. In case if you're unable to log in into your account because of your incorrect password or your incorrect ID, what you can do is you can simply tap on forgot password in the bottom left corner. Once you tap on it, on the other page you'll have to fill up some criteria, and then you'll be able to recover or restore your account. So that is how you can log in into your Comerica Bank account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.